English homework.
Good morning. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting verb tense, the future perfect. That's perfectly fine.
I've heard the name, but I don't really understand how it works.
The future perfect is used when we want to talk about an action that will be completed before a certain point in the future. In other words, it's about something that will already be finished by a future moment.
So it's about something in the future, but already done by then?
Exactly. Let me give you a simple example. By next year, I will have finished my English course. This means when we reach next year, the action, finishing the course, will already be completed.
Ah, I see. So we use will have plus the past participle, right?
Yes, that's the formula. Will plus have plus past participle. Another example. By 10 o'clock, she will have left the house. That means she leaves before 10 o'clock, and when the clock shows 10, the action is already done.
Interesting. Can I try one?
Of course, give it a try.
By tomorrow evening, I will have studied for the exam.
Excellent. That's exactly how we use it. Notice how you're imagining yourself in the future, tomorrow evening, and saying that by that time, the studying will already be complete.
Great. Can we use it with negative sentences too?
Definitely. Just add not after will. For example, by next week, they will not have finished the project. That means when next week arrives, the project will still be incomplete.
Got it. And what about questions?
Very good question. We simply invert will and the subject. For example, will you have finished your homework by dinner time? We're asking if the homework will already be done by that moment.
This is making a lot more sense now. It's like predicting completion before a future deadline.
Exactly. That's the best way to think about it. A future deadline and a completed action before it. It's commonly used for goals, projects, events, or plans with time limits.
Perfect. So if I say, by 2050, humans will have built cities on Mars, that's also correct, right?
Absolutely. That's an excellent sentence. It shows how the future perfect can also be used to make future predictions.
Awesome. I feel much more confident using it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, practice is key. Try writing 5 sentences with future perfect for homework, and we'll review them in our next class.
Will do. Thank you for the clear explanation.
You're very welcome. See you next time.
English homework.